So you want me to give you like all the calendar stuff in one place, but then you also want 2 other places for like 2 different types of meetings? And you want it done like yesterday? Awesome. Well, stick around. We're going to show you how to do a super cool thing with calendars and pages so you can like show like filtered stuff on different pages. It's pretty slick. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward.
All right, let's get that timer rolling. First thing we're going to do is take a look here. We got a meeting category and a get together category. We're going to go ahead and we have some pages made for those meetings. We're going to go to those pages. We're going to go meetings. We're going to edit, and we're going to add that web part, and we're going to filter it just for meetings. So we're going to go add events, and then we're going to adjust it. We're going to say just show me meeting. Okay, boom. We publish that. We got it. We're rocking and rolling. And now we're going to go back to the home page. Oh, actually, we're going to go to the other one for get-togethers, rather. It's okay. We can do this. And then we're going to go into edit mode. And we're going to add another web part here. Come on. Make it happen. There we go. Another web part. Events. And we're going to trim this one. So that is just showing get together. All right. And then we're going to publish that. Great. Now we're going to go back to the home page. The home page, and we're going to say, you know what, I want a button or 2 buttons. We're going to edit, and we're going to do a quick links web part. And I know we're running out of time. We're not going to make it in 60 seconds, or maybe we will. We're going to go quick links. We're going to say add a link, and we're going to say site. Yep, and we're going to go site pages. And the first one's going to be get together, select, and then the next one, we're going to add another one. Do it somewhere. I don't know where. Somewhere. There it is. Where? Oh my gosh. What? Oh, add links. My gosh. So sad. So sad. Site. And we're going to site pages. And then we're go, I think we got to get together, go meetings, and then select. And then we publish, and you did it. That was probably way more than 60 seconds. But now, if you want to go see just the meeting type stuff, you click on meetings. And now you have meetings. And if you want to go back and say, you know what, I want to see just the get together type stuff, there's just the get together type stuff. There you go. You could do this on the same page if you wanted to, all that jazz. So let's slow it down and take it step by step and see what we're really doing. We're just manipulating things to make it fancy. Yeah, someone's editing it. Okay, great. Great. That's amazing. Refresh. All right, so let's go back here and take a look at this. Oh, before I forget, please like, share, subscribe. We appreciate you. Apologize, I haven't been a lot of videos lately, but things have been kind of wild. Maybe I'll share some of the things that have been going on in a future video. All right, so if we go back to the home page here, we see we have an events calendar or an events web part. This is coming from just one calendar that lives on this site, and that calendar has some of the default categories. Well, it has all the default categories. And some of those are meeting and get together. So just to illustrate the fact that you can categorize your events in that calendar. You can. Someone asked if you can do it with multiple, filter by multiple categories, and I am not aware of that capability, but you could do multiple filters for multiple web parts and show them on the same page if you wanted to. So main thing here, if you wanted to show separate or group the events onto a page, you just go to drop down, new page, go through that scenario, save and publish it. And when you're in there, you're going to make sure that you go into edit mode. And it's even going to let me do that. It's going to tell me someone else is in there, even though it's me. Edit mode, and you add a web part, and then you basically go to that web part settings and you trim it or filter it just on the category. You got to type it in correctly. If you don't, it'll be all jacked up. When it looks good, you republish it. Do the same thing for as many categories as you want. And then you go back to your home page or wherever, it doesn't matter. And then if you want to, have some buttons that point to those pages, you can do that. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you organize your events a little bit. Let me know in the comments if you use this or if you use something different. And remember, do the very best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.